my name is Nagishirazi Baguma, and I am the CEO of Organic Secrets, an indie beauty company that uses 100% organic ingredients to formulate both hair and skincare products. I'm also a student at Land Canyon, and I just want to say how incredibly amazing Land Canyon is. I am able to study online. I'm also able to get important information about the anatomy of hair and skin. And I also get an understanding of how I can improve on the products that we make to benefit the women and men all around the world. So I'm so proud to be one of the students at Land Canyon. Very friendly mentors, very easy to understand topics, very well written out. The practical parts are also so incredible. They're very supportive, and they've helped enrich my business, because not only do I now formulate products from an understanding point of view, but I also have a variety of different formulations that I can make because of that exposure. So Land Canyon is definitely the place to be. Thank you so much, Land Canyon, for enriching Organic Secrets and helping us touch and change the lives of women and men, focusing on hair and skin, and of course, empowering people to love the hair and skin that they have. Thank you.